What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Okay, I see him. Now. Oh shit! Stop moving. Please stand in one place. Oh no. Oh, I almost got spotted. No. Dude, that was so close. He almost saw me. Oh! Alright, you go the fuck down. You too. Wait, that's it? Don't go in. Don't go. Fuck you. Get the. Oh my god! You don't give a fuck that someone next to you just. Now you, sir, you need to just die. Like, just die. Oh! Bitch. No, I want it. That's a shoulder shot. No, I did not mean that.